Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will talk about chemistry. Let's get started. Chemistry is a science of the utmost importance since it studies the composition, structure and properties of matter, as well as the changes it experiences during reactions and its relationship with energy. One of the attractions of learning chemistry is seeing how chemical principles apply to all aspects of our lives, from everyday activities like cooking to more complex processes like drug development. Chemistry has a great impact on our daily life. In fact, it is at the center of many issues of concern, such as improving medical care, conserving natural resources, supplying our daily needs in terms of food, clothing, and living place. Through chemistry, we have discovered pharmaceutical substances that strengthen our health and prolong our life. The mastery of chemistry allowed the rise of industry, the transformation of materials at will to create useful objects. In that sense, it is one of the sciences that have had the greatest impact in the world and in the history of humanity. Chemistry includes a gigantic number of branches since its field of study approaches various sciences and disciplines. Among these branches are: Number 1. Inorganic chemistry, dedicated to the study of matter that does not mainly make up living beings or their substances, but it is typical of inanimate forms of matter. Number 2. Organic chemistry, also called the chemistry of life, is a branch of chemistry focused on the compounds that revolve around carbon and hydrogen, and that are mostly those that allow the composition of life. Number 3. Biochemistry is the chemistry of the bodies of living beings, interested in the energy processes that keep them alive, in the reactions that occur in their cells, and other areas of interest that allow us to understand how life works. Number 4. Physical chemistry studies the physical bases that support all kinds of chemical processes, such as electrochemistry or chemical thermodynamics. Number 5. Industrial chemistry, or applied chemistry, takes the theoretical knowledge of chemistry and applies it to solving problems in everyday life. Number 6. Analytical chemistry, whose purpose is to detect and quantify the composition and structure of matter. Chemistry and physics are sister disciplines, but they contemplate reality from different points of view. Chemistry is the science of the composition and the structure of matter and the reactions it undergoes. Instead, physics is the science of the forces that rule the world and that largely determine the state, not the composition, of matter. For example, water is made of two chemical elements, hydrogen and oxygen, H2O. This will continue when the water is in a liquid, solid, or gaseous state. In each of its physical states, the substance has different internal energy levels. There is a physical change, but not a chemical change, because both liquid water, ice, or steam continue to have the same chemical composition, H2O. Chemistry is one of the most important and fascinating sciences, and that is why it is interesting to learn it. And that is all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to share it and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!